Hi, this is Gautami Kapoor and I'm on styleluna.com. Very interesting name, I love it.
Hello friends, I'm Sharik Sheikh and you're watching styleluna.com. And today here with me is the ace designer Mehka Meerpuri. Let's talk about her summer collection. Ma'am, first of all, welcome to styleluna.com.
Thank you.
And talking about your collection, tell us something about the collection. What is your collection and the inspiration behind it?
So today's collection, it's a summer collection. It's called Passion in Patterns and the theme is retro, which is why you'll see all these colors, crochet, big earrings, lots of bomber jackets and the whole patchwork stickers, the whole applique of the rock and roll era. I just wanted everybody to feel like a rock star. I feel like a rock star, and probably that was my concept. It's summer, it's fun, lots of color.
Tell us something about the inspiration behind your collection. What inspired for you this collection?
So the rock and roll era, a lot of the pop music, these big jackets, rock star look. So I've done them with a lot of phrases, sayings, a lot of the pop culture.
Talking about the cuts and the fabrics, what according to you, what will be the summer cuts and fabrics used in fashion this time?
So I've done a lot of crochet because it's very easy and it's like a travel collection. You can wear it with trainers, you can wear it for a beach. I've done a lot of the bomber jackets because when you travel, you can put them on the flight, you can wear it on a dress, and lots of ease and movement. So like big trousers, loose trousers, lots of shirts with big bows, lots of exaggerated loose sleeves, everything to do with comfort and color.
Whenever we talk about fashion, so what is fashion for you, and what is the fashion statement for Mehka Mirpuri?
Fashion statement for Mahika Meetpuri is basically being yourself, and I feel you shouldn't ape anybody else's style. Just be yourself, be comfortable in your skin, follow the trend, but be comfortable in what you wear.
And if you have to distinguish between style and fashion, so what will Mehka Mirpuri stand?
I think I'm known for my sense of style, and I am fashionable.
And last one thing, according to you, who are the celebrities that does fashion very good and hold style very good?
There are a lot of celebrities I look up to. There are a lot of designers I love. But since today is all about the music and the thing, I think a person who's my inspiration is Jennifer Lopez because she's got that whole pop era, and I think today is all about music. Thank you so much. Thank you.
So here was Mehka Meerpuri's spring summer collection, and we have talked about her in detail. What was her collection and what is the style she is owning. Here is Sharik Sheikh signing off from Styleluna.com. first of all, welcome to StyleLuna.com.
Thank you.
And talking about your collection, tell us something about your collection. What is the inspiration behind this collection?
The theme was retro, okay? So I had to think of something which is really of the 60s, 70s, 80s era. And fortunately I had this. I had this outfit which has bell sleeves, bell bottoms. But the hair I decided, I did a lot of referencing. And then I decided the hair and my accessories. But yeah, I looked at a lot of references from 70s and 80s.
And today Mehka Mirpuri's collection is also retro.
Yes.
So what do you have to say about her collection?
Her collection is always fabulous. Mahika always outdoes herself. And this time also the colors and the way she has styled the clothes, they are very wearable. Though they look heavy and all, they are not. They are very wearable. They are amazing. The colors are fabulous. And I think she's outdone herself. Every collection is different.
And according to which of the actress carries the retro look much better in olden times or in today's time?
Mumtaz ji, Sadhna ji, then Parveen Babi, then Zeenat Aman, the all-time favorite. I think they were retro icons.
And what is fashion for you?
Fashion for me is, I think, confidence. Fashion for me is comfort. And fashion for me is not following the trends. Do what you want to do.
And if you have to differentiate between style and fashion, what would it be?
Style is something which is very personal, like you do it very normally, very casually, and fashion is something which, it's like a cult movement. One fashion trend comes up and everybody follows it. That's what fashion is.
And talking about television, like, you have come from television to OTT now.
Yes.
And so tell us something about that journey and now.
But why do you differentiate between television and OTT? All mediums are the same. For an actor, all mediums, we are blessed that now there are so many mediums we can work on. So I think there's no journey. I think television and OTT have now kind of merged because there are smaller shows which come on, like mini series and all that. So everything is merged now.
Tell us something about your upcoming shows which are coming.
Yeah, so I have 3 shows lined up. One is for Z5, which is called Gyara Gyara. The second one is Special Ops Season 2, which is with Neeraj Pandey. And the third one is a secret. I'm waiting for the production house to launch it, but we have finished shooting for it.
Okay, talking about the Ram Kapoor fashion, we all know that he's a very stylish person. So,
He's stylish.
yeah, he is stylish.
1 minute. He's stylish. Huh?
I'm asking you about that.
So Ram's fashion is always comfort. He doesn't care about the fashion trends. He doesn't care about what is going on, what is in, what is not. He does what he wants to do. And that is the best thing about him. That he's so comfortable in what he wears and what he does. And he's so confident. That's why he looks fashionable. Thank you.
What is fashion and style according to you?
I think anything that you're comfortable with and you can carry off with grace, that should be your fashion sense. Right, thank you.
Hello Rashmi, first of all, welcome to StyleLuna.com.
Thank you very much.
And,
Thank you.
Tell us something about what you're wearing.
मैं महिका मीरपुरी की बहुत ही सुंदर सी ड्रेस पहन रही हूँ. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं पुराने ज़माने में जब वो ट्विस्ट वाला डांस करते थे वैसे रेट्रो फैशन है ये एंड उससे वो इंस्पायर हुई हैं. थोड़ा ग्लैमरस जब टाइम था और हमारी मुमताज़ थी, जीनत थी एक्ट्रेसेस, तो इट्स वेरी रेट्रो, वेरी कलरफुल और लेस भी है इसमें और नाइस ब्राइट कलर्स जो हमारे इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. तो ये समर वेयर है और एकदम परफेक्ट है.
तो क्या what is the special thing you like about Mehka Mirpuri's collection?
What I like, Mehka, she goes big. मतलब ये नहीं कि अच्छा मैं सोबर रहूँगी, मैं थोड़ा सिंपल पहनूंगी. नहीं नहीं नहीं, आप जब तैयार होंगे आप कमरे में घुसेंगे और सब आपको देखेंगे. तो उसके ऐसे कपड़े हैं. So अगर आपको अटेंशन चाहिए तो कपड़े लीजिए महिका के.
Talking about fashion, what is fashion for you?
Fashion is representing my personality, my mood. I'm very exuberant. I like playfulness. Light-hearted हूँ, मजाक करने में आता है. तो वैसी colorful dresses ये जैसे frill है, so that's it.
Talking about the retro fashion, what according to you, who according to you was the actress who carried herself in the retro look very pretty?
काफ़ी सारे थे. आई थिंक हेमा मालिनी थी, चाहे वो थी कौन सी थी साधना कट का जो वो साधना कट था, जब मैं छोटी थी मैं अपनी मम्मी से बोलती थी कि मुझे साधना कट चाहिए, ये नहीं कि बैंग्स चाहिए, मुझे साधना कट चाहिए. तो आई थिंक ऑल आवर एक्ट्रेसेस वर सो ऑसम बीइंग रेट्रो एंड ऑल.
And talking about new actresses, who according to you is the best actress who can carry herself on the retro look?
Oh, I love Shobita. I think she's so stunning. और उनके जो लुक्स हैं रेट्रो हो या वो साड़ी में हो, मुझे शोभिता बहुत खूबसूरत लगती है. उनकी एक्टिंग बहुत पसंद है एंड शी इज जस्ट सो ग्लैमरस.
What are the things you have in the pipeline right now?
Sorry.
What are the things you have in the pipeline right now?
Yes. अभी मैंने सुधीर मिश्रा सर के साथ एक वेब सीरीज शूट करा है Z5 के लिए, उसका नाम क्राइम बीट है और ये IPL के एकदम बाद रिलीज हो रहा है Z5 पे. सो प्लीज देखिएगा क्राइम बीट ऑन Z5. थैंक यू सो मच.
Avantika, first of all, welcome to styleluna.com.
Thank you so much.
And tell us something about the collection which you are wearing today.
So I'm wearing Mika Mirpuri's new collection and I love it. It's retro themed. It's so airy. It's so vintage vibed. I think it's such a fun thing to have for summer, especially this year. And we need it in Bombay.
Talking about Mika Mirpuri's collection, what is the one thing you like about the collection which she represents or which she designs? What is the one thing you like about?
I think she always brings a very fun element to her clothes, and someone, it doesn't matter what age you are, what kind of body type you have, there's something for everyone in her collection. And that's what I love, you know, like everyone can be really stylish, have that fun, eclectic view with her.
What is fashion for Avantika?
Comfort, it really is.
And if you have to differentiate between style and fashion,
Style is something that you are, fashion is something that you follow.
and who is the actors of this year and the style icon in Bollywood and they carry themselves very well.
I think so. Someone that you know immediately that comes to my mind is someone like a Sushmita Sen, Chandni in a red sari. I think that's iconic and that will always be. So I think she's somebody that I really love. There's Audrey Hepburn and Katharine Hepburn that have been my favorite style synonyms for me. And somebody now, I think I love Alia because I think she has a very fun vibe to her. Shobita Dilupale, I think she has a very interesting style crossover to her style.
What are the upcoming projects you have?
Oh, so I just finished shooting Mithya 2, so I'm very excited about that. And I have a film that's going to be coming out, hopefully in June, July. But I'll let you know more when we do.
And last one question that whether your mom teaches you about what to wear and what not to wear.
No, not as much. I think it's something that I've grown up looking at and understanding, but I've always sort of had my own sense of style. And funnily, she comes to me more for style tips than I go to her. Thank you so much.
Welcome to styleluna.com.
Thank you.
What you are wearing today?
Well, this is dress from London. Yeah.
Tell us something about the Mega Mirpuri's collection. What are the things you like about Mega Mirpuri's?
What I love about Maika is that she's extremely bold in her personality and in her collection. I love the colors. Always, her collection is always exotic. In a city, in a place where we are always safe wearing black and solid colors, she has a lot of colors, and it's just amazing to see her collection every time something different, seasonal. Her music, her parties, her launch, everything is according to the theme. and I'm really, really happy for her.
As we have talked to Maika Mirpuri, and she told that this time the spring summer collection is of retro look.
Yes.
So, who according to you are the actresses that carry the retro look much better than today?
Well, my retro look today is my neck piece. It's a vintage piece that I'm wearing. That's my retro look. I didn't do the bouffant, but the retro look back in the day was Sharmila Tagore, Vaijayanti Mala, even Hema ji. They all did the retro fabulously.
And in today's time, whom do you find the actresses carry the retro look much better?
Today's times, I immediately remember Deepika Padukone's first film. What was that? Om Shanti Om. That was her retro look, the dream girl.
And what is fashion for you, ma'am?
Fashion for me is it grows with you. Sometimes, the same question 2 years ago I answered as wearing denims and comfortable shoes, and suddenly I feel like wearing floral dresses and bright colors. So I think it's how I feel, and every time it grows with you. You change as a person, and your fashion embodies that. So that's fashion for me. It is a part of me that I show the world.
Madhuji, any upcoming projects?
I'm releasing a film at the moment called Kartam Bhuktam. It's releasing on May 17th. Vijay Raj ji, myself and Shreyas Talpade are in it. And after that, I'm releasing a pan-India film called Kadappa, where even Akshay Kumar and Nayanthara and Prabhas and Vishnu all are part of it. So I'm really looking forward to these two releases. Thank you very much.
So here was Maika Mirpuri's spring summer collection, and we have talked about her in detail. What was her collection and what is the style she is owning. Here is Sharik Sheikh signing off from styleluna.com.